soap, body
We
soap.
have the two men with us as
Cherry
well, so it
also.
shouldn't be too
Cherry.
I guess.
Sarah, don't mix the caps. But this looks like, you know the one that you put in the toilet? How many do we choose?
You can choose. Look.
Lemon. What about lily? Yeah, lily is nice. Yeah, you smell that one.
It smells like laundry.
Yes. Okay.
I think we have enough, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you just push it down.
More like, yeah. Yeah. Let's say mix drops. Try one drop.
It's strong.
Yeah, one drop.
It smells good. I think too much.
Yeah. Three.
It went too fast, sorry. It's good. But it smells like sandalwood.
Yeah, three.
Get this.
Yeah, you try. Then I give me that.
What is different? Air fresher, but we doubled the. We need to double the.
Yeah.
Okay.
So frankincense, we keep it two. And then maybe a little bit of jasmine or a little bit of fragrance.
Orange.
Or lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah, lemon.
We make it yes.
Oh wait, they want to put some. Yeah.
It needs a hit of something.
Yeah, nice. Nice. Just a bit more like- I mean, I don't know what perfume you had before.
Lemon. Yeah, lemon darling.
Marilyn, yeah.
And then I will do the marketing.
No, it's not like that. Two, so I need to do
I will be the model.
Advertisement.
Then I need. I did sandalwood or no? Franks. Where is this? Yeah.
Okay. So this is rose. Who has rose?
Rose is here.
Thank you. No, it's not going through.
Drops for feminine beauty, lily, sandalwood, 3 drops, and of course, just relax for 2 drops. So, this is our new product, which was released just recently.
Nice packaging.
Basket. Oh my god. So,
The first 100 customer will have 50%.
no. First customer cost 1,000 dirham. Only. Buy now. Feminine beauty.
Three, 2, 1. Did you have fun? Yes. Show your perfumes. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.